Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will show you how to install TeamSpeak on your PC. So let's get straight into it. Open up your web browser and then in type 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 TeamSpeak, and it will open up this first one. Click on it and here you will see free download, or up here. You can also download from the Microsoft Store. Here you will choose for which computer you need, for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. So in my case is Windows. Download. So now you can see that we have downloaded this TeamSpeak client. Open up, run it, press next. You will accept these terms in the license agreement. Next. So I will just install for my computer. I don't need, and click install. And now TeamSpeak will install on my computer. So this is how you install TeamSpeak on your PC. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.